Okay, my name is Hardi Prasatya and I'm now doing week 3 activities on Moodle for MOOC7. So let's get started then. The first thing I would like to do is just turn this editing on, and I'm going to create a label. So that means I'm going to use resources first to create a label here under the topic tab. So I click add an activity or resource. Here I will create label. So click add. Alright, here the label would be to show the audience that okay, this is my work. Alright, so I'll just give it a space. This is positives activities. Okay, I'm going to put and write. So okay, I will just save and return to course. Okay, here we are. We have a new label here. That's my name, and I would like to add an activity. So there are many choices of activities here. We have games, and this is hot potatoes. So we have designed an exercise using hot potatoes, so we can use hot potatoes as well. So the first I would like to add is a forum. You can see this is the explanation and how we can use the forum. Okay, I'd like to add. Alright, so I would like to write my forum here as questions and answers. So this will be a place for me and my students to have a discussion outside the class. So just save and return to course. Alright, so here we are. We have right. Yes, that's the forum I have in my course. I would like to have another activity. This time I would like to have a chat with my students. So, alright, check that chat. Okay, name of this chat room would be let's say basic listening. Select that, and then save and return to course. Okay, so you don't have any currently to update. Alright, continue. Let's continue. And then I need to go back to again to the oops. Okay. Oh, pressing no. Right. I need to go back to this teacher practice area. Okay. All right. Right, here we are. We're going back to my page. I'm going to edit this tool again. sorry, I need to click this editing tool, and then I have add an activity or resources. I need to click add an activity or resources, and here we have games, column, glossary, group choice, hot potatoes, questionnaire, survey, workshop, and so on and so forth. So let's check attendance. Okay, so that's attendance, type point. Okay, I will just attendance for cyclism course. I will just click save and return to course. Hopefully there will be no errors this time. Right, so there is no error this time. So I have attendance. There are two activities, basic forum and attendance. But actually I have a chat session, but there is an error there. Okay, so next is what else? I have a big blue button, real-time or online classroom, and open source. Okay, let's find something else. Checklist. A checklist to do, task list for the students to work through. So this is okay, good. Let's try it. Let's click some add checklist. Let's say okay, tasks to do. Okay. This is the list of the tasks for you to do. Okay. So I would say do the download the audio files, and then do the worksheet. Right. So I will just say display description on the course page. I will just leave it there. So just save and return to course. And hopefully there will be no error this time again. Alright, good. So I have another activity. Yes, tasks to do. Alright, I have another activity. What about choice? Choice is to ask a single question and offer a selection of possible resources. So why don't we just add? Alright. Okay, so choice name is what do you think about our course? Okay, right. So option 1, good. Well, let's just see, there are 5 options actually. So let's say very bad, for example. Bad, poor, good, very good. So let's say save and return to course. Good. I have resources so far. Okay. What do you think about our courses? And let's then add another activity or resources. In fact, we can have some games. So we have some database. Alright, so what about some glossary here? Glossary here. Create and maintain a list of definitions like a dictionary or to collect or organize resources information. So let's have a quiz, for example. Alright, add some quiz, for example. Right. Okay, editing a quiz. Quiz 1. Okay, so let's save and return to pause. Okay, I have 4 activities actually. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright. Okay. Well, time is limited, so I have to stop my activities now, my video presentation for activities now. So I might continue this video presentation because there are still a lot of activities and resources in Moodle. Thank you very much.